Okay, welcome back to my channel. Literally, I was doing a prank on my boyfriend. He actually fell for this. Look at the whole shit. I'll say hey, say hi. I say I'm fan of your YouTube channel. Your YouTube channel video is so good. I'm not gonna read it. Oh, thank us, wonder when you make another video soon. Tomorrow. Can I ask you a question? Yeah. Are you single? No. Oh, okay, cause I'm looking for a boyfriend now. Oh, I have a friend that want a girlfriend, which is literally Muhammad. If you got single, that's girl, you could probably chat when Muhammad too, and he probably date you or something. Like when I see a picture, I have a question on you. Oh, sorry, I'm so. Can you break up with your girlfriend and be mine, please? No, sorry. Why not? Cause I love her more than anything. But I love you though. And we're just me, and I like, but we can spend some time together and get to know each other more. No, but we can be friends. We can be more than a friend, you know. I just literally with the casino. Oh my god. They're like, no, please, no kissing. There's a whole bunch of freaking kissing and loving. I was like, I love you. Like, no, I don't. I do. Stop right now. I want you so bad. Or else I'll block you, or you might want my friend. No, until when you be mine. No, I love you so much. Okay, see, stop by. I'll give you anything you want. Like, no, yes, please. I love you, Gamer Nature. What's your channel? Oh my god, was it fucking me? Whatever. I'm like, okay. I'm not reading this freaking nasty one. I think he blocked me. I'm gonna ask. Hey, you here? Did he block me? No. Okay, let me see. Did he block me? I'm gonna ask him in my other account. Would she know? Is she so sexy? Oh my god. Okay, this is my other account I created. This like around like this early or something. So this is my account. It's a gamer girl 6735, which literally I created like for the nonsense. Look, actually, I can't believe he fell for this. I can't believe it. Okay, I don't know if someone's here. Well, thank you for watching. Hope you have a nice day. Bye.